going on, guys? Today we're going to be looking for some parts for the 1996 Toyota Tacoma drift truck build. Some tools packed up. Alright, got my tools loaded up. We're going to load them in the Crown Victoria and head off to the junkyard. I didn't pack a lot because I'm not expecting to find anything crazy there, but you never know. Alright, so here we are. Don't know if you can see that, but we're out here at Foss You Pull It, looking around the import section before I go looking for the truck. I just want to look around and see what they got, and sometimes you run into some cool stuff. Alright, after bullshitting for a while on the import half, that's everything over there, I finally made it over to the trucks, and I'm gonna look for the Toyota Tacoma I came here to see. Holy shit, is that it? Oh, well, that's it. Wow. Front end gone. Engine gone. Everything. This doesn't look like it's a 4x4. It actually looks like the same one I have. Fuck. Yeah. There's a grill. That looks like, well, that's pretty disappointing. It's cool seeing another one like mine, the all black. And there's another thing I noticed about them is the front seat right here. Mine is like gone. This one looks good, but the front seat right here always gets destroyed. I mean, I guess it won't matter once I put bucket seats in. I wonder if his e-brake cable works. Oh no, that's seized up. I'll just wait for mine to come in the mail. Well, pretty disappointing. Looks like it took a hard hit right there. I wanted the 4x4 one because I wanted the 4x4 leaf springs, because that's how you can get a smoother ride when you lower these, but I guess not. All right, so I'm still walking around, and this little guy catches my eye right here. I want to check it out. I believe this is a Datsun, if I'm not mistaken. It's hard to tell, it's so old. Here it is right here. It's an 86 Dodge Ram pickup. It's a pretty nice looking little truck. You never know what you'll find in these junkyards. Alright, went ahead and got the mini truck pulled in, and just for fun, I wanted to see if the Mustang rims I have for the Crown Victoria would fit, because the stock Acura ones didn't, and those ones fit pretty damn good. I don't exactly like how it looks, but I just wanted to see how good it would fit. Looks pretty good, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull these stockies off and give them a good polish. It's not bad. It's not the best either. I mean, these wheels were in really bad condition, but at least they look somewhat shiny. Time to do all the other four. Alright, so I was able to find just enough lug nuts to replace all of the odd mixed match ones that are currently on the truck. So I have a bunch of these and I have the key for them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all the studs greased up and put these new lug nuts on. All right, that's how we're sitting right now. Got the new matching lug nuts on and the polished wheels, as opposed to this dirty rims, mixed match lug nuts. It just doesn't look good. I mean, who really cares anyway, because this car's probably gonna get crashed into a barrier or something, but I like that a lot better.